Hello, it's Dr. Rhonda Johnson, and today is Monday, March 6, 2023. Today I am talking about COVID-19 origins. Where did this SARS CoV-2 virus come from anyway? Seems like that is the hot topic recently. Now, remember back in 2020, we were told that the virus came from people who had gone to that Wuhan market and were exposed to exotic food items. It was said to have jumped species from Chinese bats and crossed over into humans. The first cluster of infections emerged from that Wuhan market, but reportedly none of the animals tested positive for the virus. Now, some scientists believe that there may have been an intermediate host, meaning the Chinese bat virus got transmitted to another animal species, possibly cats, and then infected humans. Well, there's another theory about the virus origins, and that is, I'll call it the lab leak theory, because Wuhan, China is home to the Wuhan Institute of Virology. It is a major biological research facility in that city, and it's only a 40-minute drive from that that Wuhan market. Now, the Wuhan Institute of Virology has been studying coronaviruses in bats for over a decade, and they are one of the world's leading authorities in the collection, storage, and study of bat coronaviruses. And some of their genetic research has included construction of new or hybrid viruses of these coronaviruses in order to study their potential to infect humans. Now, lab leak theories include that the virus leak was accidental, or some conspiracy theories have this as engineered as a biological weapon. So fast forward to 2023, where we are today. The U.S. Energy Department has recently concluded that the COVID pandemic most likely rose from a lab leak. They have low confidence about this. The FBI Director Christopher Wray said that their independent assessment says that COVID-19 most likely originated in a Chinese government-controlled lab. Their report is classified, so it's not available to the general public. Now, an article in the March 3rd issue of the New Yorker magazine states that, and I'll quote, "Four intelligence agencies, as well as the National Intelligence Council, still believe, also with low confidence, that natural transmission was responsible, and two intelligence agencies remain undecided, and none of them think that China intentionally created the virus as a bioweapon," end of quote. Now, the World Health Organization has called for a new investigation into COVID-19 origins. So this is a big topic right now. Now, I want to say that the Wuhan Virology Lab is not the only lab in the world that does potentially dangerous work with coronaviruses or other biological materials. Pharma companies, biotech companies, and even universities conduct similar work with viruses. Folks, we live in a world where biology and technology has combined forces to re-engineer genes from many different sources. So to conclude, we here in the general public, we don't have much evidence to be informed, but we know that doesn't stop people from having an opinion. So my big question to you is, what do you think? Do you believe in the natural origins theory that the virus jumped species from the bats to the humans? Or do you think that COVID's origins are from that Wuhan virology lab leak or some other lab in China? Do you believe, like the conspiracy theories, that the virus was designed to be a biological weapon? Or perhaps you don't care one iota where it came from. You just want it to go away. Okay, so that's my message today. I hope you'll leave a comment, please. Your opinion does matter to me. In the meantime, COVID is still around, folks. Be careful and take care.